Welcome to Healthhypes, your trusted guide to healthier, stronger living after 60. Do you feel tired all the time? Is gaining weight even with smaller portions? Trouble sleeping or digesting food? These are signs your metabolism may be slowing down. But the good news is, it's not too late. Today, we'll walk you through a simple 30-day metabolic reset plan tailored for seniors, using food, movement, and natural habits to help you feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. Number 1. Why metabolism slows after 60. Let's start with what's really going on. As we age, metabolism slows due to loss of muscle mass, hormonal changes, less physical activity, poor sleep and stress. This results in weight gain, low energy, joint stiffness, and even mood swings. But your metabolism can be reactivated, naturally, with the right routine. Number 2. What is a metabolic reset? A metabolic reset is not a crash diet. It's a science-based way to reboot your body's systems, improve digestion and nutrient absorption, balance blood sugar and insulin levels, reignite fat burning through food and movement, and in just 30 days, seniors can see measurable improvements in energy, strength, and even waistline. Number 3. Week-by-week plan. Week 1. Clean up your plate. Remove processed sugars and fried foods. Focus on fiber-rich veggies, lean protein, and healthy fats. Add metabolism-boosting herbs. Cinnamon, turmeric, ginger. Stay hydrated. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water daily. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. to support. Sleep. Week 2. Move daily, even lightly. Begin with 15 to 30 minutes of low-impact movement. Walking, water aerobics, tai chi, or light resistance bands. Gentle movement builds muscle and supports circulation. Stretching before bed can reduce stiffness and improve recovery. Week 3. Fuel your mitochondria. Add foods that energize your cells. Leafy greens, salmon, avocado, olive oil, berries. Consider magnesium and B-complex supplements. Focus on deep breathing, morning sunlight, and 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. Week 4. Balance hormones and gut health. Eat probiotic-rich foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. Avoid late-night snacking. Finish dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Take time to relax. Prayer, journaling, gentle yoga, or walking after meals. Track your mood, weight, digestion, and energy. See the change. Number 4. Daily reset checklist. 1 high-protein meal per day to 3 cups of vegetables, 6-8 glasses of water, 30 minutes of movement, no sugar after lunch, sleep 7 to 8 hours, journal your wins and challenges. Number 5. What to expect after 30 days. By the end of your 30-day metabolic reset, here's what seniors often notice. Improved digestion and bowel regularity. More energy in the morning, gentle weight loss, better sleep at night, less bloating and inflammation, sharper focus and mood balance, less joint pain and stiffness. Number 6. Safety tips. Before starting, talk to your doctor if you have chronic conditions. Don't skip meals. We're focusing on balance, not restriction. Stay consistent and gentle. This is a lifestyle, not a race. Let's recap your 30-day metabolic reset plan. 1. Eat clean and fiber-rich foods. 2. Move lightly every day. 3. Prioritize sleep and reduce stress. 4. Balance your gut and hormones. 5. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. You're not too old. With a few changes, your body can transform. Naturally, in just 30 days. Start small, stay consistent, and feel the difference. Like and share this with your loved one. Follow and subscribe to Health Hypes for more healthy tips. Medical disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to substitute professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, exercise routine, or medication. Healthhypes does not provide medical advice, only general wellness tips based on credible health sources.